This tutorial is part of the DrDev video tutorial series, exploring the DrDev Office 2007 Enterprise plugin for Eclipse. In this tutorial, we will install the DrDev Office 2007 plugin for Eclipse. We'll use the DrDev Officexml Explorer to view a Word document. We'll create Java code from an Office 2007 Word document using the DrDev code generator. We'll make a small modification to the generated code, and finally we will execute the code to produce the modified document. We are now going to install the DrDev Office 2007 plugin for Eclipse. This is done automatically from the DrDev website. From Eclipse, we go to the Help menu, and then we click on Software Updates. We now click on Available Software tab. This shows a list of the software available to install. To add the DrDev plugin to the list, we click on Add Site. We now enter the URL to the DrDev update site. After clicking OK, we can see the DrDev plugin in the available list. We check the plugin, we click on Install, and the pre-installation process takes place. Here we can see the feature that's being installed. We click on Next. Now we have to accept the license agreement. We click on Finish, and the installation begins. To continue, we need to restart Eclipse. Now that we have successfully installed the DrDev plugin for Eclipse, we will add its features to the work area. We click on Window, Show View, and click on Other, and a list of the available views is displayed. As we can see, under the Office folder, there are 3 DrDev views: Officexml Explorer, Officexml Properties, and Officexml Validate. We simply select these 3 views and then click on OK. We now have 3 new views in the workspace. Officexml Explorer. This is where we work with the Office documents and their various parts. Officexml Properties. This view shows the various properties associated with the document parts. Officexml Validate. This shows the document validation against the Office XML schema to ensure that we have a valid document. We are now going to explore a document in the Officexml Explorer. This is the original document we'll be working with. The page has a background with a border around it, and you can see the text is Hello World, and the DrDev is a watermark. To begin, we're going to open up the Officexml Explorer view, and now we're going to go ahead and take the Word document and drag it over to the Officexml Explorer. As you can see, there are 3 parts to this Word document: the document itself, the header, and the settings. By double-clicking on a part, the XML for that part is displayed. By clicking on a part, its properties are displayed in the Officexml Properties view. Any document part may be validated against the Officexml schema by first right-clicking on that part and then clicking on Validate. Any errors are shown in the Officexml Validate view. As we can see here, there are no errors. Now it's time to create the Java code to produce an exact replica of our document. This is performed by using the code generator in the DrDev Officexml plugin. To do this, we right-click on a document or project, we go ahead and click on Generate Java Code, and now we have to enter a name for the Java project. Now we have to create the name of our package, the class name, and our method name. Click on Generate Main Method, and then click on Finish. Now let's take a look at the code that was generated. So we'll go over to the Project Explorer, and there's our project name, page background. There's our package name, and there's our class name, just like we entered. Let's take a look at the generated code. The import statements reference the DrDev Office 2007 SDK. Here's the generated main method. This statement calls the generate page method for which we specified in the generate dialog. Notice that the file name of the Word document we are creating is passed as a parameter. These two statements create the Word document. And here's where the document part is created. This section of code creates the containers needed for the document. These include the document body, borders, text, header, and other settings. Here's where the shape container is created to hold the DrDev shape. This is where the background color is set. And this is where the text is added to the document. And here's where the border properties are set. This portion sets the borders of the document, and here's where the shape is added as a watermark. This portion defines the content block for the shape, including the margins, color, and type. This is the text for the watermark shape, DrDev. We set the content, and finally save the document. Now we're going to change the text in the document. Now we'll run the application and create the document. The application executed successfully, so let's go out and take a look at the document it created. So this is the document we created from the code using the SDK. It is exactly like the original with our modified text. In this tutorial, you have seen how to install the DrDev Office 2007 plugin for Eclipse, and viewed some of the many features that make the DrDev SDK and plugin a great asset to organizations that rely on Office 2007.